Hello guys, welcome to this DBMS course. In this course, we covered introduction of DBMS and characteristics of DBMS and also disadvantage of DBMS. So first thing is what is DBMS? A database management system, DBMS, is a software system that allows users to create, define, manipulate, and manage databases. It provides a way for organization to store, organize, and retrieve large amounts of data quickly and efficiently in an organized manner. Let's take an example to understand easily what is DBMS. Imagine a simple database for a school where all data is stored in a tabular format that represents information about students. Each row in the table represents a single student details. Here, student is an entity. In this slide, we talk about advantages of DBMS. So DBMS has some basic characteristics which are as follows. Number first, real world entity. A modern DBMS is more realistic and uses real world entities to design its architecture. It uses the behavior and attributes too. For example, a school database uses students as an entity and their age as an attribute. In previous example, we can see that student ID, gender, and student name all are attributes of students that are admitted in school. Next is relation-based tables. DBMS allows entities and relations around them to form tables. As we can see in previous example, that student ID and student name all are separated in a row, which are related to each other. User can understand the architecture of a database just by looking at the table names. For example, in college database, student table is related with course table. DBMS also supports less redundancy or duplicacy. Redundancy means same data is stored in different tables. DBMS follows the rules of normalization, which splits a relation when any of its attributes is having redundancy in values. DBMS also reduces times. It reduces development time and maintenance requirement. Next is data consistency. By controlling data redundancy, data consistency is achieved, meaning the same type of data is prevented from being stored repeatedly in the database. DBMS is also easily maintainable. DBMS can be easily maintained due to the centralized nature of the system. DBMS provides different types of user interfaces like graphical user interface and application program interface. It also provides security for data. DBMS provides different security levels to different users. For example, one user has permission to only read the data, whereas other one has permission to read and manipulate data. Let's talk about disadvantage of DBMS. So, cost of hardware and software. A high-speed data processor and large memory size is required to run the DBMS software. That causes more cost. Size. It occupies a large space of disk and memory to run software efficiently. So also large size is required. Since DBMS is centralized system, so there is higher impact of failure. Failure has a high impact on the database because mostly organizations store all the data in a single database. And if database gets damaged due to the power failure or database corruption, then the data will lost forever. Increased staffing cost is also main disadvantage of DBMS. Staff such as database administrator, application programmers, operators, etc. are needed and they require training, adding to the overall cost. Thanks for watching the video.